Woo, what's up? Got us some big packages and some small ones. Let's get into it.
You know the type of guy that was a jock in high school but ended up becoming a huge nerd? You know, someone that's not afraid to make a fool of themselves on the internet. And someone that likes to shoot Polaroid a little too much. Did I say huge nerd? You know, just an ordinary, everyday guy. Well, that's me. I'm just another Chris.
Welcome into another exciting episode of Monday's Mail. Yeah, Monday's Mail. Here we go, baby. Got 3 packages. You saw the big, gigantic one. And I've got 2 smaller ones. First one is something I actually bought off eBay. Is this brand new? No, it's not brand new. Can't be. But this is something you've probably seen me wear already. This is the Stranger Things Experience hoodie. Yeah, I already have one of these. You've seen it in my videos. It has like Stranger Things Experience written on the arm. Let me pull this out. Ooh, it's nice and folded. Actually, it smells really good. It's like this is like basically brand new. Nice. I don't think this has ever been worn. But yeah, you should know this hoodie. I already had one. I just randomly came across it on eBay for like a really good deal. It was like 20 bucks or something like that. And I thought, why not get a new one? It was in my size, and they don't pop up for sale very often because, well, the Stranger Things Experience is a dead thing. It's not happening anymore. So, wow, yeah, this is like brand new. The chances of me finding one in my size, I couldn't pass up another one. It's actually slightly different material. It's more like better quality than the one I have. That one was a little thinner. This is thicker. And this one's slightly more snug. But she'll do. This one right here is a pretty unique one. This is a company that I reached out to for a potential sponsorship for my big project, the Forever 66, the Route 66 project. So it's taking shape. But not the way I hoped. But this company I reached out to see if they want to sponsor the episode. But they were like, sorry, we don't have the budget to do that. But we can send you the product if you want to make a video about it. And I said, sure, because I actually need one of these. This is really cool. This is a company called Zike. Not Psych, even though it's my favorite TV show of all time.
Suck it. Suck it.
Zike Tech. This right here is a SSD. 2. Should be 2, right? Please be 2. It should have been 2. Is it a 2? It is. It is a 2 terabytes SSD. It's going to help me film and store the project. Probably not the whole thing, but the good chunk of it, because I'm going to be using my phone a lot on this project. Something I thought I'd never say in my YouTube career. Use my phone more to shoot, but man, iPhones specifically have gotten so good, especially when you connect it to an external drive like this. Then you can unlock even better features, like shooting raw video on an iPhone. What? I'm shooting this right now on a Blackmagic cinema camera that shoots raw, and you know, it's quite large. An iPhone goes in your pocket. It's crazy. But this, look how small this thing is when I actually get it open. This little guy right here has 2 terabytes. And also it comes with adapters too. So this goes onto the phone, and then you can connect this to the back of the phone. Look at that. And now I have 2 terabytes of storage to film the project. And it's going to be a massive help for this. I'll do a video on this as well. It might not be up your alley as far as instant photography related, but I want to start using my phone more for instant photography, and so I'm going to feature some gear and tech and things that kind of go along with it. It's not going to take over the channel by any means, because I think it's still stuff that could interest you in general. Thank you, shout out to Zike. So even though they couldn't sponsor financially, monetarily for the project, this is still a huge help, because I was going to have to buy one of these anyway. So thank you very much. Okay. It's a little big. I might have to open it on the floor. But this is from We Are Rewind. It should sound familiar because a few years ago, they sent me their cassette player. They're like Walkman prototype, if you will. I ended up giving that away to one of you lucky viewers about 2 years ago. And when I gave it away, I was like, oh man, I should have kept that. That was pretty cool. It was pretty sweet. But this is pretty even cooler. And yes, I did reach out to them about sponsoring the project too, and they said no, but they wanted to send me this. So that's why I have it. Technically, this is the second one they sent. First one they sent to Vancouver, Canada. I don't live in Canada. That was a whole thing. Technically, it's still sitting in a warehouse in Vancouver. UPS tried to deliver it, but they couldn't because the address didn't exist. But what they sent over is pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, you can't see that. See that? This is a boombox. Let's pull her out. Something's poking me. What the heck is that? Something's loose. Hopefully it's not broken. Holy crap. Yeah, something's poking. What is that? I don't think this is supposed to come off. Oh yeah, it definitely came off. Hopefully it's okay. It's the cassette cover. See if I can fix it. There it is. Easy fix. Super easy fix. Perfect. Look at this thing. It's a lot of focus. Sorry. It's so big. But this is crazy. It has all the dials, knobs, switches of an old school boombox. And it has a tape player built right into it. All my tapes are in my Firebird, which isn't actually at my house. It's being stored at my parents' house. Or do I have a tape? I might have one downstairs. But it's copyrighted anyway. I can't play it for you. This is cool. Does it have a battery? It does have Bluetooth. Quick start guide. Here we go. Let's take a look. Charge the battery. Okay, cool. It does have a battery. Maybe this will replace my Polaroid one. Put this back there. It's black though. I wish it was in a cool color. All right, I have it plugged in right now. It's got all the hookups. It has headphones, mic, auxiliary in, Bluetooth, aux, tape. They're connected. Let's play some copyright-free music from Epidemic Sound, not a sponsor. I love Epidemic Sound now. They have an app for your phone. Sick. This is the first one. They're called Arcaders. Oh, it just works instantly. Woo! The bass. All right, it has dials for the bass, treble. We have the balance left and right. Okay. There's a microphone for recording. You can record directly to tape. That's pretty cool. All right, that's pretty sick. I want to crank it, but it's gonna be really loud for you guys. The microphone's literally right here. I want to know how loud this can go. All right, I'll just mute this part. This will be for myself. Cool. Oh, and these move. You see that? That's sick. Okay, well, enough of that. That is cool. I can't wait to mess with this more. But I'll do a full video on this in the future too. So this is a little sneak peek to what is to come. Oh, it doesn't. It has a battery compartment here. So if the battery ever goes bad, you can just replace it. Yeah, that's cool. Well, thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Mondays of Mail. If you want to send something to the P.O. Box, I'll open it up here on the channel. Be sure to check out the information in the description. Send me your love mail, your hate mail, your concerned mail, all your mail, whatever you want. Letters. It'll be a fun time. But until next time, get out there. Think smart.